Bonjour, mon nom est Henri Ventighem, je suis l'ambassadeur du Royaume de Belgique au Kazakhstan.
I'm ambassador of Finland here in Astana, and I came for our regular EU Heads of Missions meeting where we discuss EU-Kasachstan relations.
Hallo, ich bin Monika Iversen, die deutsche Botschafterin hier in Kasachstan.
Good morning, good to see you all at our regular meeting. It's the full house today. So, as always, there are certain issues that we have agreed. There is one AOB to cover. We have, I guess, a couple of hours. So, warm welcome. Let's start. Let's start probably with the most important issue that we have indicated at our last meeting.